This video covers a common question: how to import a custom logo into the SoftPlan Title Blocks. On screen, the drawings have been assembled through plan sets on a 24 by 36 sheet size using the corresponding SoftPlan Title Block. When zoomed in, the SoftPlan logo cannot be moved, edited, or erased at this stage. To make changes, the source drawing must be opened. Select File, then Open, and navigate to the SoftPlan Installation folder. From there, open the Title Block folder and select the Title Block project file. In this example, the 24 by 36 border opens automatically, but all stored borders can be accessed from the navigation panel on the left side of the drawing screen. Zoom in to the logo portion of the title block. Right-click over the image. The Quick Selection menu appears. From this menu, the logo can be moved, edited, adjusted, or erased. Next, a custom logo can be imported. Copy the JPEG or bitmap file to the Windows clipboard. Within SoftPlan, select Edit, then Paste from Windows clipboard and choose Image. On the drawing screen, sketch an expanding box where the image should appear. This process provides a straightforward way to update any SoftPlan title block with a custom logo. Select File, Open, and return to the previously open project. Once the source border is edited and the new image is inserted, every plan set using that border updates automatically, making custom branding quick and easy to set up.